This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade softwares, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in gold. We'll do the analysis from the weekly time frame to 5 minutes time frame and analyze what would be the price action for the coming week. Before that, let us look at the economic calendar for Monday. At 5:20 AM, we have low impacting news on JPY. Then at 6 PM, we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Again, we have low impacting news on US dollar related currency pairs and euro related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action from the weekly time frame, from the level of 2074, it went on a bearish trend reversal and took support around the level of 1677 and again went on a bullish trend reversal and found resistance around the level of 1915. Then it retraced back, again took support on the same support level of 1674, again went on a bullish trend reversal, breaking the previous high and tested the previous high of 2072. When we'll analyze the pattern formed by this price action, it has formed a double bottom pattern, which means on completion of this pattern, we'll have a trend reversal. So similarly, we are noticing a bearish trend reversal from this resistance level. So from this point, when we analyze the price action, it is a bearish trend or a retracement. And when we analyze the retracement level from the level where it started its bullish trend, we can clearly notice that the price action came back on a bearish trend reversal or a retracement. Then it took support around the support level of 1785. Then it bounced back on the bullish trend reversal, and we can notice that it has found resistance around the 50% of this bullish trend. And now we are noticing the price to continue its bearish trend reversal. So when we analyze only this part of the price action, it is very clear that from here it came on a bearish trend reversal, then it bounced back, took resistance around the resistance level of 1980, then it bounced back on a bearish trend reversal and took support around the support level of 1784, then retraced back and found resistance around the resistance level of 1875, which is also 50% of the bullish trend. Then currently we are noticing the price action to make a bearish trend reversal, and if the bearish trend reversal continues, we can expect it to retrace to the 100% level where it started its bullish trend. To get a confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend, it has to break the previous low of 1790. Then only we can expect the bearish trend to continue. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this support level, we can expect the trend reversal also, which means that from the support level of 1790, we have noticed the price action to go on a bullish trend. We can expect it to take support and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal also. So currently we are noticing two possibilities. One, a trend reversal on the bullish side, or when it breaks the support level, we can expect a continuation of the bearish trend. So breaking this support level will be the confirmation for the continuation of the bearish trend. So please note that this is all happening in the higher time frame, which is weekly time frame. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we analyze the price action from the daily time frame, I've already drawn the resistance line over here. So when we look at the resistance line, currently the price action is trading below this resistance line, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal whenever it tests this resistance line. Currently also we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance line, but we can also notice that the support level of 1799 is actually holding very strong, preventing the current price action from falling further on the bearish side. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is actually consolidating within these resistance and support levels. Soon we can expect a directional breakout. And from the weekly time frame, we know that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. So there are more chances for the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame also. But if the trend reversal happens, first it has to break the resistance line from the daily time frame. Again it has to break the resistance level of 1876 in order to have a bullish trend reversal. And if the bullish trend reversal happens, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1898, and if it breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1932. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1799, next level of support is going to be around 1774, and if it breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1748. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line. So previously we have noticed the price action to take support on this trend line, and also the trend line has acted as a resistance line in the past price action. Again I am going to draw a resistance line. So from this resistance line or a trend line, we can notice that the price was in a downtrend and it couldn't break the support level of 1823. Then it bounced back on a bullish trend reversal. Again I have drawn a resistance line over here, and again it tried to go on a bearish trend reversal. Again the support level of 1823 is preventing the price action from falling further on the bearish trend reversal. So the overall price action in hourly time frame is only on a sideways, trading between the resistance level of 1857 and support level of 1823. We can also notice that the retracement levels are becoming lesser and lesser. So if the price action breaks the support level of 1823, we can expect the price action to test the higher time frame support level of 1978. Let us draw the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. I have redrawn the resistance line over here. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the downtrend to continue in hourly time frame. And we know from the higher time frame, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish side. So wait for the price action to break the support level of 1821 in order to trade on a bearish side trade. And if the price action breaks this resistance line also, we have the daily time frame resistance line running over here. It has to break this resistance line in order to start its bullish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also I have drawn a trend line or a resistance line. Previously the price action was respecting this resistance line and was trending on a bearish side. Again it has given a breakout from this resistance line and took resistance from the hourly time frame resistance line. Then we are noticing the price action is consolidating within this support level of 1820 and the resistance line from the hourly time frame. So if the price action trends on the bullish side also, we can again expect the price action to bounce back from this resistance line from the hourly time frame on the bearish trend reversal. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1828, next level of support is going to be the higher time frame support level of 1798. Again in 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to trend on a bearish side because it has not broken the previous highs. Wait for the price action to break the previous low of 1816 in order to take trades on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. We can notice that the price action is finding difficulty in breaking the resistance level of 1831. So wait for the price action to break this resistance level in order to take trades on the bullish side. And when we analyze the current price action, we can notice that it is currently bouncing back from this resistance line on the bearish side. So the overall price action in 5 minutes time frame is actually on a sideways. It doesn't have enough momentum to break this resistance level or it doesn't have enough momentum to break this support level of 1819. So currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side. If doesn't manage to break the support level, again we can notice a price action to trend on the bullish side. And as long as the price action is trading within this support and resistance levels, we can expect the range bound market to continue in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 5 minutes time frame is in a sideways or a range bound price action. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friend.